What up, everybody? My name is Maestro Stevens with Iconic Templates, and this is a quick installation guide to install your Uni emails with Fluent CRM. Now, at the time of this video, you're going to need both the free version and pro version of Fluent CRM. And that is because Fluent CRM Pro is the only version that is able to import our Uni emails templates. So if you already don't have Fluent CRM Pro, you can purchase your license using the link in the description below, or go to fluentcrm.com. To install your Uni emails, first we're going to install Fluent CRM free. So let's go to our plugins and add new plugin if you already don't have Fluent CRM on your website. First, type in Fluent CRM in the search area, and then click Install Now. Next, click Activate. You're going to want to have the free version of Fluent CRM activated before you install the pro version. To install the pro version of Fluent CRM, we're going to upload the plugin here. So then click Choose File. And upload the Fluent CRM Pro zip file. Do not unzip the file. Upload it as it is as a zip file. Then click Install Now. Once installed, activate the plugin. Now you have Fluent CRM Free and Fluent CRM Pro both installed and activated on your website. From there, you can add your license key and activate it. So you would want to go to your Fluent CRM dashboard or WP Manage Ninja dashboard, and that is the company that makes Fluent CRM. Locate your license key and click this Activate Now button. So let me grab my license key and I'm going to add it here. Paste your license key in the license key field and click Verify License. Now you have successfully added and activated your Fluent CRM Pro license key. From there, you're going to go to your Iconic Templates dashboard and download your Uni email zip. Then you're going to go to Email Templates under Campaigns, click on it. Next, you're going to want to go to the location of which you downloaded your Uni emails to. From there, you're going to want to unzip the Uni emails files by double-clicking it or by right-clicking it and unzipping it or extracting it. Once you've unzipped your Uni emails file, you can open it up and see what's in it. You will see different folders, which are categories of industries, as you can see here. So we're going to go back to our dashboard here in WordPress and click this Import button. You can either drag and drop the JSON file, or you can click to upload. So I'm going to search for my Uni email templates, open the folder, and I'm just going to choose a random category to import from. So I can import any one of these templates here. So click on a template and then import it. My button says open, yours may say different. And from there, it will import the template, as you can see here. So to import another template, you're going to do the same process. You're going to go to Email Templates, Import, and this time I'm going to drag and drop a template on. So I'm going to choose the construction and drag it here. And from there, it'll start to import that template like it did the other template. Now, here's something to note. And we are working on this, or we are working with the developer to help us work on this. At the time of this video, you cannot import more than one template at a time with FluentCRM Pro. So if you go to import and then click on drop file here, you'll notice that if I try to highlight more than one by clicking the shift button, it does not let me import multiple at a time. So we know that that is an unfortunate inconvenience, but again, we are working on that to help streamline that process here in the future. So I just wanted to let you know that you can only import one template at a time, whether you drop the file or you click to upload. And that is how you install and import your unique email templates with FluentCRM. Peace.